Hello there. Are you ready? Let's get started. It's very cold today.
It's very cold today.
I'm trying to be healthier.
I'm trying to be healthier.
That man is a teacher.
That man is a teacher.
What do you like?
What do you like?
What did you have for lunch?
What did you have for lunch?
What are they doing?
What are they doing?
What would you like to eat?
What would you like to eat?
What are they saying about me?
What are they saying about me?
Don't make the same mistake again.
Don't make the same mistake again.
I have no idea.
I have no idea.
What are you doing tomorrow?
What are you doing tomorrow?
How long have you been unemployed?
How long have you been unemployed?
I would like to go fishing.
I would like to go fishing.
How's the weather?
How's the weather?
Where does it hurt?
Where does it hurt?
Do you go to school by bus?
Do you go to school by bus?
Where is the nearest supermarket?
Where is the nearest supermarket?
What's the capital of your country?
What's the capital of your country?
How long will you stay here?
How long will you stay here?
Come with me.
Come with me.
What kind of fruit did you buy?
What kind of fruit did you buy?
The food is cold.
The food is cold.
What is his nationality?
What is his nationality?
I like wearing white t-shirts.
I like wearing white t-shirts.
It's not expensive.
It's not expensive.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
What is your plan after graduation?
What is your plan after graduation?
I am so hungry.
I am so hungry.
When are you going to Germany?
When are you going to Germany?
How much did you pay for your new computer?
How much did you pay for your new computer?
Do you need to work today?
Do you need to work today?
Let's eat out today.
Let's eat out today.
Where did you take this picture?
Where did you take this picture?
The bus will arrive in 5 minutes.
The bus will arrive in 5 minutes.
Did you find your phone?
Did you find your phone?
She is very tall.
She is very tall.
Will you be at home tomorrow?
Will you be at home tomorrow?
Do you have time after work?
Do you have time after work?
Don't wait for me.
Don't wait for me.
Why is she late again?
Why is she late again?
I'll call you later.
I'll call you later.
Everybody wants to be happy.
Everybody wants to be happy.
The pain was terrible.
The pain was terrible.
I don't like to speak in public.
I don't like to speak in public.
I had breakfast at 7 a.m.
I had breakfast at 7 a.m.
Let's have lunch.
Let's have lunch.
You look very tired.
You look very tired.
Take off your coat and make yourself at home.
Take off your coat and make yourself at home.
His answer is different from mine.
His answer is different from mine.
I'll tell you a secret.
I'll tell you a secret.
Today is Monday.
Today is Monday.
She told me she knew my brother.
She told me she knew my brother.
I have an allergy to milk.
I have an allergy to milk.
He plays soccer on weekends.
He plays soccer on weekends.
His aim is to become a doctor.
His aim is to become a doctor.
English is easy to learn.
English is easy to learn.
It is likely to rain today.
It is likely to rain today.
You're a genius.
You're a genius.
That's what we want to know.
That's what we want to know.
I'm free now.
I'm free now.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it, share it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more content like this. See you next. Bye bye.